What's going on, guys? DM here with another video. Yes, I am back. It's been a while. We went 7 days without power. We just got our power on last night.
Still no internet.
Still no internet right now, so gaming videos are going to be coming back soon once I get Wi-Fi and internet back going. But, the damage of Florence, you could see what it did in my front yard with the video I posted before this. But, yeah, it did a number to my hometown. It flooded quite a bit. It was bad. It was dangerous. But I'm fine. My family's fine. We're thanking God that we're still here and alive. So, videos will be resuming soon. I wouldn't say right now. There's still a bit I gotta update y'all on, and also I was gonna come back soon, but I guess my comeback's been delayed a bit because of something that happened not just last night, and we're all kind of devastated about it a bit, but we're all thanking God that we're here, alive, and it's because of Him that we're even here today. But I will get into that more later. But yeah, Hurricane Florence did a number. We're fine. Things flooded. Thankfully, nothing in our house flooded. Our house stayed nice and dry, although our yard got pretty bad. And things are slowly coming back to normal. We got power. We're waiting for Wi-Fi and internet to come back. But yeah, other than that, I guess I should get into the other part. As of last night, I have been in my first car accident. I really don't want to get into the big details about what happened, but we got in a car accident. We're fine. The car got pretty banged up. It's outside. I can't show you. But yeah, we got in one. I'm fine. We're doing good. And so I'm going to kind of back away a little bit because of the accident, so I can support my dad in this. We all need the support. And so,
Indeed.
even though the Florence thing is over, it's past, I still it's going to be a while before videos go back up like they used to, because I want to help everyone out, recover. I want to help my town out, come back on their feet. I'm going to help people out as much as I can. But not only that, I'm going to stand by my dad and support him and help him out the best way I can during all of this. So, I will see y'all soon. Bye.